welcome back to my channel. I'm LaDonna and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. I'll list all the information down below, including the items and how many items that comes in the glam bag. So all the information will be left down below. So this glam bag is $14 a month. I believe you get 5 deluxe size items. Sometimes you get a full item. Sometimes you get 2 or 3 full items. It just all depends. And you do get to choose one of those items for that purchase. So for that month. So let's get into this bag. So here's the bag right here, y'all. It came stuffed and pretty and cute. This is our little bag. Okay. This is cute. This is cute. It's really, really cute. I like it. This is really, really cute. But y'all know how I be feeling about these bags. The bag's okay. I like the bags, y'all. I just always love what's in these bags. So let's pull out the freaking card first. So it did come with a card. I don't know if the name of the items are inside the card. We shall see. So yes, they are. Child, sometimes they give you the card with the information in it, and sometimes they don't. It's hit or miss. Anyways, so they always have a theme for the month. And the theme for this month is, it's called a clean slate. So it says, start your year with a clean slate. Boom. And this is a theme for January. And again, like I said, it does have the names and the items and the prices inside the card. So I love when they send the card. Therefore, I can tell y'all what it is and how much it is and all of that good stuff. But I'm really, y'all, this bag is killing it for the month of January. I'm digging it a lot. So let's pull out the first item in the bag. So the first item in the bag, this is a translucent setting spray by Laura Mercier. Y'all know I love Laura Mercier's products. I do. And this is pretty, this is a nice size. So I'm really like, okay. So the full size version is going for $21. Again, this is just, it's a setting spray. And here she is right here. We definitely gonna use it. As a matter of fact, let me spray some on right now. Oh shit, kind of spits. Oh, this spray is oh Lord mercy. Hey honey, child, baby sugar pie. And this sprayer is spitting. Yeah, I feel like I didn't spray a water hose on my face. Yeah, I'm not feeling the sprayer, but whatever. Okay, we're gonna use it up. We're gonna suffer through it. Okay, but yeah, that is our setting spray from Laura Mercier, and again, it's going for, oh no, excuse me, the travel size. This travel size is $21. So there you have it. So yeah, the travel size is $21. I don't know how much the full size version is, and it did say to hold the bottle 10 inches away from your face and then spray it. So that might have been my bad. Anywho, it kind of spits though. Let me see. I guess not. I guess I was in the wrong. So you do need to hold it. You do need to hold it in order to get that nice gentle spray. So that's our first item in our little box. We're gonna bag. Okay, the second item I'm pulling out the bag is by Goldilocks, and this is an ultra hydrating signature hair mask. Boom. And this right here, the full size. Let me see, is that a travel size? Ooh, so the full size version of this is going for $56. It says this luxurious formula is a game changer for thirsty, damaged hair. With this powerful blend of hydrating ingredients like rose water, biotin, and marula oil, it instantly replenishes moisture and helps repair damage and imparts incredible shine without weighing your hair down. So boom, we'll give this a try. We'll give it a try. So the next item in the bag, anyways, the third item in the bag is a recovery cream. And this is by Dr. Lily Fan. It's a probiotic recovering cream, and the full size version of this is going for $68. We're gonna use it, honey. We definitely gonna use this because I like these little products. I really do. I just throw them in my bathroom in a little bucket. Boom. Smells pretty all right. Smells nice. Smells pretty nice. I like that. I use all of my eye creams. I do. I'll put them on the table right here, like these ones right here that I was getting, like this right here. When I sit down to get ready and do my makeup, usually I'll have like a couple of eye creams sitting on the table. So when I get ready to do my makeup, I can use these. I used to use eye creams, y'all. I didn't. I really didn't. And of course, the older I got, I'm like, girl, like, I want to start. I wanted to start using like good products for my skin. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to start like using like the bare minimum. I don't go crazy. I don't have to go crazy using skincare products, but usually whatever they send me, I'll use. If I go to the store, typically I'm always buying like my daughter's skincare stuff, because she has like acne prone skin, and I'll either order her stuff or buy her. I order her stuff online, or typically if I'm in a store and I see something that I like, I'll pick it up. But for me, I don't have like acne prone skin. I never really had issues with my skin, which is a true blessing. I ain't bragging or anything like that. I just really never really had any issues with my skin, except for around like period time. I would get like a pimple here or there, or if I kind of slept with my makeup on, my face would kind of break out. But I say that to say that I don't typically have to go out and buy face products for myself, because usually y'all, I've never ever, really quick, I've never used like soap on my face. I've always used water. Like that was it. And then I can remember, like as a little girl, my mom be like, "Go in there and wash your face." You know what I'm saying? She used Visine, or not Visine. She would use like what was that stuff? Y'all know that white stuff. I'm gonna put it right here. What was it called? Um, Noxzema. Yeah. And she would use that type of stuff, and then she had a little Avon stuff, and I would be so quick and ready to go outside. I just would use water on my face, and so hey, that's what I've used. You know what I'm saying? Um, on up until I became an adult, I started to just use like I know I have very oily skin, and I just started to use like water. And then once I started receiving like my boxes and stuff, I would get skincare. And of course, y'all know, like if you go back to some of my old videos, I would be like, damn, I don't want skincare. Like I used to be like, all I want is makeup. But of course, I had to learn and get wise. Like, damn it, girl, you better use some skincare to kind of keep the fine lines away, um to keep my skin from being so oily, and just to have a clean face. You know what I'm saying? So yes, I love receiving skincare now. I really do. So anyways, let me shut the hell up. This is our third item in the box. We're gonna use it. And again, the full size version of this is going for $68, not 58, 68. Boom. So that is our third item in the box bag. The fourth item, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a freaking minute. Oh, I don't know what I did. I gotta go find that eyeliner. No, here it is right here. So the fourth item in the box is this eyeliner by Illuminati. Okay. Boom. I did a declutter of eyeliners because I had way too many lip liners and eyeliners that just weren't my shade, that I wasn't using. So if this is not a color that I will use, I'm not gonna open it. Therefore, I can like start giving stuff away that's not used. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. So this looks like an ink pen, y'all. Don't it? It look like one of them ink pens. Okay, so you have like I don't know what that is. A smudging part right there. I don't know what shade this is. I said I wasn't gonna use it. Oh, this is a green, or I think, you know what? I think this is a multi-chrome. It is. So this is a multi-chrome gel liner. I'm sure it's pretty. I'm not gonna swatch it, y'all. Therefore, I can give it away. I don't want to use it. I'm tired of using stuff and not using. I'm tired of swatching things and like not using shit. You know what I'm saying? So it looks to be pretty, but again, I'm not gonna use it. I have some chrome shadows right there, or some chrome eyeliners that I don't use, and I swatched them. So I'm gonna put this away. We're gonna have a giveaway too, so I'm gonna put that away for one of y'all. The last item, and that product is going for $21 for the full size. The last product, you guys, is by the YC collection, and it is a Stella 9-pan eyeshadow palette. It looks pretty. It looked really pretty, but I'm not gonna swatch it. You know why? Because I'm trying to get some stuff for a giveaway for y'all, and I haven't gave back to y'all in so long. And how selfish of me and unfair is that? That's why I'm gonna get y'all together a nice, beautiful big box. But this is by, again, this is by the YC collection. It looks pretty nice, and I don't want to be just swatching. All last year I was swatching stuff just to be swatching things, and now I got all these palettes. I don't need all these palettes like that. I really don't. I'm slowing down my consumption of makeup. That's why I only get the boxes now. I haven't purchased no foundation. I don't think I've purchased any foundation since that one size foundation. So I'm really slowing down because there's other shit that I need, and there's money that need to be saved. So anywho, this looks really pretty, and I'm definitely not gonna swatch this because I have these shades. This is super pretty. I might I might change my mind. If I do change my mind on using this, which would be crazy of me, but I would definitely replace this with something else for you guys. But this is really pretty, and I love greens. But I'm still not gonna swatch it. I'm gonna try to put this up. This is really pretty, and this is really pretty for spring too. And I think the YC collection is pretty good. I think don't hold me to that. I want to say I've tried a couple of things from the YC collection, but I'm not sure. Anyways, the full size palette is going for $26. So this is really pretty. Those shimmer shades, y'all know I want to swatch them. Y'all know I want to swatch them, but I'm not. So boom. That is it for our glam bag, y'all. That is it for our glam bag. So we got a nice full size eyeshadow palette. This is a nice size. We got a nice size replenishing eye cream. We got a nice size hair mask product. And we got a nice size setting spray. And, oh hell, all of this was pretty. All of it was pretty good. And then we got the multi-chrome eyeliner. And then we got the multi-chrome eyeliner. So these are nice. See what I'm saying? You get some pretty nice size you get some pretty nice size items in that bag. So that is it for this video, y'all. Let me know what you think down below. What did you get in your glam bag? And if you are interested in receiving a glam bag, I think it's a wonderful, great idea for those of you who want to try new products, whether it's makeup or skincare or both. This bag like $14 a month. You can't beat this. You can't beat it with a stick. So I'll leave all the information down below. I'm spitting. I'll leave all the information down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Talk to me down below in the comments. I appreciate y'all. Let me go. Thank y'all for being here. And if you got the glam bag, let me know what you received. And if not, it's okay. Let me know what items you're looking to get this year. I'm finna go. Hope y'all have a wonderful, happy Tuesday. I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next video. I am LaDonna. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.